Hi children, how are you all? Hope everyone is good and safe at home. Today in maths class we are going to learn place value. We have already learned that numbers are made up of digits. There are single digit number, two digit number, three digit number and so on. Consider a number. I am going to take 345. How many digit number is this children? It is a 3-digit number. It is a 3-digit number. So when you write a place value, you should always start from right hand side. See, when you write the place value, you should always start from right to left. The first place is called ones place. Okay, the first place is called what children? Ones place. The second place is called tens place. And the third place is called hundreds place. Okay, see, it's a 345. When you write the place value, should always start from right hand side. So, the first place is called ones place. The second place is called tens place. And the third place is called hundreds place. Ones, tens and hundreds are called place value. So, ones, tens and hundreds are called what children? It's called as place value. In this number, 5 is at ones place. Where is 5? 5 is at ones place. And 4 is at tens place. And 3 is at hundreds place. So, ones, how we write here? As O. How we denote it as O. The same way for tens, the beginning of tens is T. So, we write it T. Okay, in hundreds place, we write it as hundreds. Okay, this is how we have tried. Now see, in this number, we have 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 5 ones. Okay, in this number, we have 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 5 ones. Single digit number ones. For example, let's take a single digit number 4. 4 is a single digit number. The place value for 4 is ones. Okay, the place value of 4 is 1. 2 digit numbers, tens and ones. Take an example of 2 digit number 65. 65 is a 2 digit number. For 2 digit number, what you should write? Ones and tens. So you should write ones and tens. Okay, so next is 3 digit numbers. 3 digit numbers, 100, tens and ones. Take any example of 3 digit number 465. What is the 3 digit number? 100, tens and ones. In first place ones, second place tens and third place hundreds. This is how we have to write the place value. This is the place value chart. The first place is called what children? Ones place. So ones we can also write it as O. Okay. Second place is called what children? Tens place. And tens we can also write it as T. And third place is called as hundreds place and also you can write it as H. If it is 4 digit number, then what you should do? You should write here 1000. Okay. Now this is 3 digit number. So 3 is at what place children? 3 is at ones place. 8 is at tens place. 2 is at hundreds place. So you can write here 3 is at ones place. You can write it here. 8 is at tens place. You can write it here. 2 is at hundreds place. So you can write it here. In this number 283, you have 2 hundreds plus 8 tens plus how many ones? 3 ones. You can write this in the short form. See here 200 plus 8 tens. 8 tens equals 80. Okay, plus 3. Okay, so this is the expanded form of the number. place value using an abacus. See here children. This is a abacus rod. The first place is called what children? Ones. Second is called as tens and third is called as hundreds, and we'll be adding the beads according to the number. For example, see here I am going to take 632. Okay, 632. 2 is at what place children? 2 is at ones place. So you can write it here also. 3 is at tens place and 6 is at hundreds place. So in ones place what is the number? 2. So we should draw here 2 beads. Okay. In ones place what is the number? 2. Same way in ones place how many beads you should draw? 2 beads. Here I have drawn 1, 2. 2 beads. Next is what is the number? In tens place what is the number? 3. So in tens place, in tens rod you have to draw 1, 2, 3. How many beads you should draw children? 3 beads. Okay. In hundreds place what is the number? 6. So how many beads you should draw children in hundreds rod? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is how we have to write it in the abacus. Next example is 30. 30 is a 2-digit number. So you have to draw 2 rods. See here. I am drawing 2 rods. The first place is called what children? 1. Same way you write. Second place is called tens. Now here in this number, first place is ones, second place is tens. In first place what is the number children? In ones place what is the number? 0. So you should add any number, any beads here. No, you should not draw because it is 0. You shouldn't draw any beads here. In tens place what is the number? 3. So in tens place you have to draw 3 beads. See 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now in tens place what is the number here? 0. So you should not draw any beads here. So next in hundredth place what is the number? 5. So how many beads you should draw in hundredth place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should write here. So in this number we have 5 hundreds, 0 tens and 3 ones. Okay. Now I will draw the beads. We have to write the number. Okay, see in ones place I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 3 beads. In tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 beads. So in ones place how many beads are there? 3. So in ones place 3 plus in tens place how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is not 4, it is 40. How we should write children? 40. So 40 plus 3 is 43. So the number is 43. Now we'll write the number. Okay, see in hundreds place how many beads are there children? 2. So it is 2 hundreds. Plus in tens place how many zeros are there? There is no 0. So it is 0 tens. Okay. In ones place how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 ones. Okay. So it is 204. What the number children? 204. Now we'll see the expanded form. The expanded form makes easy to understand the value of a number. Now we'll see few examples. What is this number children? 789. So 9 is at what place? 9 is at ones place. So what I should write here? O. So second place is called what children? Tens place. So what I should write here? T. The third place is called as what children? 100. So what I should write here? H. So how to write the expanded form? 7 is at hundreds place. So 700. It is 7 hundreds plus What is in tens place? 8. So 8 tens plus, what is the number in ones place? 9. So 9 ones. Okay. So how to write in number? See, 700 plus 8 tens. 8 tens is 80 plus 9 1 is say 9 you should write. So this is the expanded form. Now we'll see the another example, children. See, what is this number? 345. So first place is called 1. So I am writing here O. Second place 10. So T. Third place 100. So I am writing here H. So 3 is at hundredths place. So 300. Hundreds plus 4 is at tens place. So 4 tens plus 5 is at ones place. So 5 ones. This you can write it as 300 plus 4 tens equals 40 plus 5 ones equals 5. Okay. So you should write like this. Now this is expanded form. You will change it to the short form. So what is the number here, children? 5 1. So in ones place 5, in tens place 7, and in hundreds place 5. So it is 575. So next example is 600 plus 2 tens plus 3 ones. So 3 in ones place, 2 in tens place, so 2, 6 in hundreds place, so 623. What is this number, children? 623. Now we'll see few fill in the blanks. The first one is in 37, 7 is at dash place. Okay, in 37, 7 is at dash place. So 37 is a 2-digit number. The first place is called what, children? 1. So write it on the top. 1. Second place is called as tens. So write it here. So 7 is at what place? 7 is at ones place. So you should write here O-N-E-S. Ones. Okay. O-N-E-S. The second is in 526. 5 is at dash place. Here also. So 6 is at ones place. So write here 2 is at tens place. Second place is called as tens. The third is called as hundreds. So 5 is at what place, children? What you can see here, 5 is at hundreds place. You should write H-U-N-D-R-E-D-S. Hundreds place. Okay. The third example is in 682. 8 is at dash place. So same way, first place is called ones, second place is called tens, third is called hundreds. So 8 is at what place, children? It is in tens place. So write here tens. T-E-N-S. Tens. In fill in the blanks, we saw the place of the number. Here we are going to see the value of the number. Write the place value of the underlined digit. Okay, see, in 734. First write the place value. 4 is at what place, children? Ones place. 3 is at tens place. 7 is at hundreds place. So 3 is at what place, children? 3 is at tens place. So it is 3 tens. Okay. 3 is at tens place. So it is 3 tens. Next is 315. 315. So here the place value is 5 is at ones place. 1 is at tens place. 3 is at hundreds place. So 3 is at what, children? 3 is at hundreds place. So 3 hundreds. Okay. In this number 814, 4 is at ones place. 1 is at tens place. And 8 is at hundreds place. So what is the value of 4? 4 is ones. 4 ones. Okay. Thank you.